on my way to the suspension place just to get a better idea of what I'm up against. Because again, I mean, I'm not a professional and I don't pretend to be one, so I really want to get a better insight. So even then, I was looking and I seen the car had literally, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it had just been serviced on the 13th. And it says come back for new mileage on 129,000 miles. So I'm guessing it just got an oil change because it's only at 124. We are here at Midas trying to see exactly what the issue is. My buddy said it's just a common car with the bushings and stuff, so he's gonna check it out right now and hopefully we can verify that and get that switched out and get it going right. So we definitely never get to see under any of these cars, so that's a first. I don't know if that's a good or a bad thing.
Bushings split.
Yeah.
These bushings split. These bushings split. These are completely gone on yours.
Oh, okay.
All right. Now, there's something else.
Yeah. The sway bar.
That sway bar bushing
is completely shot.
It's not that it's shot. It's just not in there.
No, in here. Yeah. I get you.
I bet you could salvage these. Honestly, I'd have to take these off.
Yeah.
Just to do your control arm because the bolt is behind here.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's definitely control arm.
Okay, so I'm gonna need lower control arms and then some sway bar bushings.
Lower control arms, sway bar bushings. So far, that's all I'm seeing. No leaks. That's good.
Cool, man. Cool.
If I were you, I'd do the brakes.
Yeah, I was feeling the brakes a little bit kind of like jagged, kind of.
Like the pulsating?
Yeah, like kind of, like stutter stepping. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, that means you got hot spots on the road.
Oh, okay, yeah.
They're getting a little too heated.
All right.
Your pads are thick, but if your rotors are heated, your pads most likely crack.
Okay, yeah.
I'd suggest doing all the brakes on this.
Oh, okay, yeah, cool.
Control arms. The back ones don't look bad.
So I just left Midas and they quoted me literally $1,000 for 4 control arms, a sway bar bushing. Shit is dumb. I will not be paying $1,000. And then we're gonna go to somebody else and have them put it on because, like I said, I'm not a professional. I don't have any jack stands yet. And I honestly just don't feel like getting under a car right now. I ended up getting the sway bar bushings. That seemed like it needed the most attention right away. And it seemed like it needed to be making the most noise. So we got the car up. They're gonna take care of it and see if it's still the same problem after we get it on. The moment of truth, finally. So we'll see if that sway bar bushing worked, and already I can tell that did the job. That's what I'm talking about. It did the job. That is what I'm talking about, dude. You feel me? We riding now. We riding now. What's up, guys? So we got her back to the house after getting her fixed up, running good. Everything's A1, checking out. We got her all wiped down and shined up to go. Looks a lot better than it originally did. A lot better. A lot better. Let's see if you guys can get a better view. That looks a lot better.